me, I'm shooting at reality. And if I get defeated, then I'm dealing with fatality. It really isn't sad to me, I'm ready for a casualty, cause I don't give a fuck, but that's just my personality. The hate's been strong, the sensation's gone, but I'm gonna get it back, though the wait's been long. Most people choose their path in life, but I'ma pave my own. So tired I can snap like a stress fracture. I wanna go back to when none of it mattered. It was nothing but laughter, but now none of it's happening, and all I got left are the drugs and this rapping shit. At the end of the day, I'm defending my way, and it's easy to say I'd rather fail than to never try. Cause you know what they say, heroes get remembered, but